Hello everyone and welcome to lesson number 46. In this lesson, we're going to learn the imperfect tense in verb type 2. Verb type 2 has 3 groups. We'll look at each group separately. Mure type of verbs are short. They have 2 syllables. In the first syllable, they can have either a long vowel or a diphthong. Remove one of the long vowels when you add the imperfects e. After that, you can add the correct ending. For verbs which have a diphthong in the first syllable, you should remove the first vowel of the first syllable. After that, add the imperfects e to the end of the stem. Here is one example. Minä juon.
Minä join.
Sinä juot.
Sinä joit.
Hän juo.
Hän joi.
Me juomme.
Me joimme.
Te juotte.
Te joitte.
He juovat.
He joivat.
Now it's your turn. Try to conjugate the verb saada.
Minä sain. Sinä sait. Hän sai. Me saimme. Te saitte. He saivat.
This type's verbs end in ida, and they look exactly the same when conjugated in the present and the past tense. This is due to the same reason as for tanssia type of verbs. When conjugating these verbs, you replace the e from the stem of the verb with the e of the imperfect. Here is one example. Minä voin.
Minä voin.
Sinä voit.
Sinä voit.
Hän voi.
Hän voi.
Me voimme.
Me voimme.
Te voitte.
Te voitte.
He voivat.
He voivat.
Now it's your turn. Try to conjugate the verb uida.
Minä uin. Sinä uit. Hän ui. Me uimme. Te uitte. He uivat.
In addition to the verbs nähdä and tehdä, the imperfect tense has one clear exceptional verb, käydä. These verbs do not follow the rules we have just learned. Kiitos! See you in the next lesson!